BMC GAN Fondo GF01 Disc Review. Disc occupied pro grade cases continues to hold its own. Our rating. Our review, despite a slightly modest looking space, the GF01 is still up there with the best bike in its class by if you want disc braking with pro level ride quality. Pros: sublime ride quality. Cons: lower space and higher weight than some of the competition. BMC's GF01 disc, which took our sister cackling plus bike of the year title in 2015, may have been pipped this time around by the Cannondale CAAD12 disc, but it's still as good as ever. In fact, it's changed very little for 2016, issued from a switch to 25 rubber across the range. Indeed, it actually has room for 28 as last year's bike showed, but BMC is playing it safe as with the wide rims offered on some models. Clearance is marginal. Functional brilliance. Our test bike sports a signature BMC red and black paint job with 105 handling. The component selection, the shifter are actually Shimano's non-series R785s, which are Sota Kida Altegra labels Sufis to say they do the job very well indeed. Things are rounded out with modest Shimano RX31 wheels, an alloy cockpit, and the complaints seat post. That's a key part of the GF01's bump taming arsenal. It's been this superfluous deployed by more financial manufacturers. BMC frames tend to have a slightly ultra look about them, and the GF01 is no expectation. Its carbon case sports the now familiar rock seat stay along with the extra rib between top tube and C-tube. That's characteristics of the brand. In mechanical groove set guides, the GF01's gear cables are external along the length of the down tube, while the hydraulic brake hoses run in internally. The front on cleverly disappearing into the upper cover of the headset. Should you wish to switch to an electronic group set, the cable stop can be removed to keep things tidy and the words routed through need sports. Another welcome touch is the smart integrated chain support, which helps protect the frame from the ham-fisted machines. While the gear cables run along the length of the down tube, the brake hoses are routed internally. BMC makes great play of the through that's gone into producing an ideal blend of stiffness and comfort. A system it calls turned complaints concept in line with current, some would say tedious trends. It's written on the chassis should you need reminding.